In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dry only function on Whirlpool Model EU washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is select the drying program. So turn the program selector knob to choose a suitable drying program for your laundry type. For example, cotton for cotton fabrics. Alright, so activate dry only mode. So press the dry only button. This ensures the machine performs only the drying cycle without washing. Then from here, choose drying settings. So press the drying settings button to select your preferred drying mode. Automatic drying. So press once to select the highest drying level. Press again to choose a lower level. And we've got 3 different types of levels. So we've got wardrobe, clothes are completely dry and ready to store. Hanger, slightly damp to reduce creasing. Hang to finish drying, or iron, damp enough to make ironing easier. We've also got time drying here, so continue pressing the drying settings button after cycling through automatic levels to set a specific drying time. And then start drying, press the start pause button to begin the drying cycle. And I've got some additional tips here. So load size, ensure the laundry load does not exceed the maximum drying capacity, which is set at 6 kilograms. Overloading can affect drying performance, so keep that in mind. And also there is a cooling period. So after the drying cycle ends, allow a brief cooling period before opening the door to prevent injury from hot laundry.